Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel, Cryptosphere, na kung saan meron naman tayong opportunity maka-earn even without investment. Okay, so before we start the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. Okay, so we have another airdrop token na naman guys na legit and also a big project din. So this is one of the big project din among the airdrop tokens na meron tayo ngayon. Okay? So ano ba ang pangalan ng app na to? So ang pangalan ng app na to ay Time Farm. Okay? So yung token na na-farm natin dito is Second Tokens ang name. Okay? So by completing the task and inviting referrals guys, we can earn Second Tokens. Okay? So ano pa hinihintay natin guys? Simulan na natin itong pag-review sa app na to. So para ma-access nyo to guys, lagay ko na lang yung link sa description, no? At simulan na natin yung pag-review sa paggamit ng app na to. So press nyo lang yung menu guys sa may lower left corner dyan. And then makita nyo may prompt dyan na launch. Okay, so after yung pindutin yan, magre-reply yung app natin. Ito yung magiging reply niya. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng button dyan na open app. So, press nyo lang yan para mag-open yung app. Ayan. So, after natin open yung app, kung makikita nyo, meron na tayong around 1,231,600 second tokens. So, yan na yung na-farm natin guys since nagsimula tayong mag-complete ng task at mag-claim no, ng second tokens. So this is also a passive mining tokens guys, no? So ang gagawin lang natin, bubuksan lang natin yung app every certain hours and then i-claim lang natin siya. So try natin i-claim. So yan guys, no? After natin i-claim, nadagdag yung balance natin. So huwag niyo din kalimutan i-start guys after mag-claim, no? Sayang kasi naka times 2 yung farming natin yan or mining event. Okay, so all you have to do is press start para mag-start na siya ulit mag-farm. Okay, so every 4 hours guys, bubuksan niyo siya para mag-claim ng second tokens na farm nyo. Okay, so that is the first way to farm second tokens. Now, ano yung pangalawa? Pangalawa, pwede tayong mag-complete ng mga tasks, no? Para maka-receive ng second tokens. So ayan, napakarami nilang task guys. Diyan lang medyo makakabawi tayo or makakarami tayo ng farm ng second tokens. Okay? So sundin nyo lang yan guys, no? At kapag nasunod nyo na yan, balik kayo sa app and then i-claim nyo yung mga tokens. Okay? So nakompleto ko na to guys, kaya puro check na yung nakalagay. Okay, so ibig sabihin na-claim ko na yung mga yan. So madali lang yun guys at gawin nyo na agad after nyo start yung app. So ano pa yung other ways para maka-earn tayo ng referral tokens? So put tayo sa friends. Of course, kapag may invite ka, meron ding bonus second tokens kang makukuha. So basahin natin kung paano ba umaandar yung sistema nila when it comes to referrals. So earn 20% for your direct referrals, 10% for their referrals, then 5%, 2.5%, and 1.25% for your fifth level referrals. Plus earn 15,000 second for each invite while your friend receives 30,000. Okay, so maganda rin yung magkaroon ng referral guys kasi napakaganda na ang sistema nila when it comes to referrals. So fifth level referrals, yung kung i-referral mo, may referral siya, at yung referral niya may referral, at yung referral niya may referral, is nakaka-commission ka pa rin ng 1.25%. Okay, so ganun siya kaganda guys, no? Pagdating sa referral commissions. Okay, so kung may kakilala kayo guys, invite nyo na lang sila na mag-join sa ating farm tokens. Okay, so punta naman tayo dito sa activity. Okay, so activity ang nakalagay dyan guys is yung leaderboard. Okay, so bakit may leaderboard guys? It's because dahil si time farm is may pa-contest siya. Okay? So, yung top 1 that have the most referrals will win 100k USDT plus 1 billion second tokens. Grabe guys, napakalaking pera nun. So, $100,000 ang makukuha ng magiging top 1 sa leaderboard. Plus 1 billion tokens. Okay? So, dun pa lang guys, makikita natin na ang project na to ay hindi nagbibiro or malaki talaga. Dahil pa-contest lamang yung 100k USDT. So, I believe that there is a great potential with this project, no? That's why huwag tayong pahuhuli dito sa isang to. And finally, we have the wallet. Okay? So, wala pang nakalagay dyan. Coming soon pa lang. Kasi nga, nasa early stage pa ang time farm. So, usually, lumalabas naman yung feature na to kapag malapit nang i-launch yung token. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron ng wallet na nakakonect, guys, malapit na rin matapos yung airdrop event at isi-send na yung mga tokens dun sa registered wallet na inilagay mo. Okay? So, payo ko lang guys, no? I-grind na natin ito at sayang yung opportunity dahil madalang yung ganitong malaking project sa airdrop events. Okay? So, for now, kung may tanong kayo guys, just comment down below at sasagutin ko yan after you watch the video. Okay? So, yun muna ang update natin for today. I promise to give you more tokens review guys na pwede natin kakitaan in the next video. Okay? So, thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you in the next video. God bless.